Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA overlay not showing FPS, the overlay not working in the game. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna open the NVIDIA app. Once in here, go to settings and you wanna make sure that the NVIDIA overlay is on. If it's unticked, you wanna tick it. And if it's ticked, you wanna disable it and then enable it again. Now press Alt+Z on your keyboard. Once this opens, you want to go to statistics, and in here you can switch the statistics view from like basic. If it's on custom, then you can add what you want, like the FPS, GPU utilization, etc. If you put it on like basic or like advanced where it shows everything, you can also do that, but I keep it on the basic. And now to enable it and disable it, you simply press Alt+R and it's gone, and then Alt+R and it will be back on the screen. And also what you can do while you're in it, you can download the latest and greatest NVIDIA Game Ready driver if you haven't done that already. And after you've done all of that, you can exit out of this and then your game should work properly and the FPS should show. That's it for this video. That's how you fix NVIDIA overlay not showing FPS. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.